All right, builders, here we go, crew. Practice project number 6, okay? This is gonna get your artistry on here a little bit, your design creativity, because this is a wood sculpture contest to finish out the 6 practice projects that we've been working on, okay? So here's the scoop. The material list you can see right there on the screen. It is all of the remaining parts and pieces that are in your project kit number 1. You're going to use everything you've got, except, super important, do not, I repeat, do not take this practice project number 3 apart. Okay, this should be in your kit number 1, ready to be returned back to me at school. Okay, so this, do not take apart, not part of this project, okay, because that's something else. But everything else, dun da da da, here's my little example. Everything else that's left, you can get as creative as you want to. See, even nuts and bolts and making little curly cues. Whatever your designer creative mind can come up with, here is the contest, okay? You're going to build the tallest freestanding sculpture you can with the remaining parts and pieces that you have, okay? That's your objective. Freestanding, meaning like the picture that's on the screen, this thing needs to be able to stand on its own. It can't wobble, you can't hold it, you can't tape it to, your workbench. It has to sit and be balanced. Okay, so now I'm going to get your engineering skills going. Weight and balance. So if I put too much weight going this way or too much weight going that way and it starts to tip, you have to figure out how to rebuild it, restructure it, so it stands nice and straight and as tall as you possibly can. Okay, then number 2, you're going to take 2 pictures. So look at the screen again. This is what your picture should look like. First one is the side view. Okay, the full deal, man. I want to see from top to bottom what you came up with, and we'll have some fun figuring out who is getting the most creative with the build. Picture number 2 is the one you see on the right, which is you're going to take your tape measure. You're going to pull the tape down. You're going to use the thumb lock to hold it in place. And what I did is I held it with my right hand, and then I took my camera in the left and kind of did a down angle shot so that I could see with the top of my sculpture and how it measures up, but then I could see that the tape was all the way down and at the base. Okay, we're trying to keep everybody honest. Please don't cheat. Let's just have fun and make sure we measure accurately, and then we'll see what's up. But you're going to turn in those 2 pictures into practice project number 6 on Google Classroom. That's how you're going to get your points, and that is practice project number 6. Okay, great. Have fun. Good luck. Get creative. Let's see what we do as a crew. All right, you guys, take care.